Hi, welcome to an inspection of the hive. I almost said it was December. That would have been really off. That would have been really bad. Today is what, August the 24th? Right at 2:45?
Yes.
I got Blaine with me. We're gonna go through these frames too before you take that off. That'd be nice.
You want to just look at the end of them?
I already looked at the end of them. I'm just looking right now for honey and hive beetles. Are you serious? This is why I need a cameraman. You want to look in here? I don't really feel like pulling that entire frame out right now. Oh, I was like, yeah, it'd be nice to have another hive tool right now. Oh, are you kidding me? There's a hive tool right there. So yeah, they're filling it.
Where?
Well, I shouldn't have said that. Wrong word. Did you hear that noise?
Yeah, it was something that shifted when
Okay, I was getting worried. I was like, ah.
the
Hive beetle right there.
feeder.
Nope, that's not one. The ants are still bad. I put that cornstarch.
I don't think the beetles are as bad as they were on our
Nope.
last visit before you put in the beetle traps.
I told you about what happened the last time I did it, when I went to check the traps. Was it last Friday or whatever? I dropped it. I dropped this part, and it stuck to the queen excluder, and I was like, oh god. About died. I just need like a stand, just to set the camera up, don't I? That's a lot of dead bees, man. That's probably where I squished them all. Well, that was quick. Smoker. We got a problem. There's absolutely nothing in those traps.
Are you sure?
I'm pretty sure.
Boy, your eyes, Joel.
Don't I have to kind of take those out to get in the hive? Because yeah, that would be bad. See anything?
No beetles in that one.
That's not good.
Yeah, it's not preferred.
I think the hive beetles are starting to catch on to our methods.
Well,
What?
they may have been chased into the ones in the lower one.
Looks like
There's a couple there.
Nice. Yeah, where do you want to set it? So these are the beetle traps that aren't they like $189?
I'm not sure the cost of
I'm gonna quickly just set the camera down right here so I can light the smoker up again. Because they're kind of getting a little expensive. I'm gonna walk away again. Now I'm getting pelted by honeybees. That's kind of funny. Anything more aggressive? Sorry, wrong word. Defensive on that side. Actually, wait. Because there's nothing on that side.
We're building a little comb here. There's been some brood there. You see the discolored
Oh, let me grab the camera.
cells.
my gosh, that's already like glued on there. That's scary.
Yeah, just colored cells are where brood has emerged. And of course the yellow is where they've begun to store or have stored pollen or bee bred in the past.
That's kind of unusual for this time of year, correct?
No, it's typical. There's a little bit of brood here, but most of it has emerged.
I was like, what is that black thing in there? I was like getting worried. I was like, ah. I forgot we put in traps. Now this is a better looking frame on the other side.
We're beginning to store a little bit of honey in there, but
Where?
not much.
Oh, I see
the
it.
shiny.
I see it.
They need to store a whole lot more. They were low on stores at our last inspection.
Which was like 3 weeks ago. Not even that. Even longer than that.
Again, most of the brood has emerged. They've consumed essentially all the stores on this frame.
That ain't
Same
good.
here.
Hold on. I thought I saw something. Maybe just me. Let's look closer when we get to the brood. If there is any good brood, which I'm sure there is. But
There's some
look in the
brood that
cells.
has not emerged. There's some larvae.
Oh, my bad.